Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to be making a new cookie. I've made it a couple of times and they're quickly becoming my husband's favorite, so I'm going to go ahead and make them again, the macadamia nut cookie. So I'm starting out with a cup of softened butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and then I have a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And we just want to cream this together. See if I can drop one egg in. And once it is incorporated, I'm going to add the other egg. Alright, now we want to add some vanilla and almond extract. The exact amounts are a 1/2 teaspoon each. I just put some in. And we'll mix that in. Alright, now we're going to add some flour. I'm going to start with a cup. I also have my oven preheating to 350. Now I want to add a teaspoon of baking soda. This is a 1/2 teaspoon measure, so I'm going to go ahead and do that twice. And then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add another cup. The recipe calls for between 2 and 2.5 cups of the flour. I don't think we're going to need to add the rest of the flour, the other 1/2 cup of flour. Okay, now I do just want to do a quick scrape to make sure there's nothing on the bottom that wasn't mixed in. Looks good. Alright, so now I have a cup of white chocolate chips, and I have a cup of macadamia nuts. I did have to chop some of them because they were so large. Now, using the lowest speed, we're just going to fold those in. You can see how thick this is and why I don't think we're going to need that extra flour in here. Okay, so we're getting ready to drop these onto a cookie sheet. Okay, so we have got the oven preheated to 350. So I'm just going to spoon these cookies out. And they're going to go into the oven for 10 minutes.